Hi, I'm Rahul. In this video, I will show you how to make and use tab groups in Google Chrome desktop app. This feature is not yet available to the stable channel of Chrome. However, you can use flags and enable them. On this URL field, type chrome://flags and press enter. In this, enable tab groups and tab groups collapse. After enabling them, restart your computer. And now that you have enabled these two, you can start using tab groups. To create a tab, right click on this tab and you can create it like this. To name it, right click on this circle and give it a name of the group and press enter. You can add and remove the tabs next to this group by dragging them into and outside the group. You can even collapse and uncollapse these tabs. I will show you some other examples. These are the groups that I have created to do some structured work. So you can see this saves a lot of time, and previously we used to use the different desktops in order to manage different types of tasks, but now you can create all of them in a single window in the Google Chrome desktop app. Thank you.